Are you an iPhone user and you're having trouble copying files from your iPhone to your PC, especially the large size video files? So let me show you an example. I'm gonna copy my video files to my PC. So paste. So as you can see, my PC gets unresponsive, and shortly after this you will have a message like this. So a device attached to the system is not functioning. So are you having the same problem? So don't worry, I have a solution for it. The thing you need to do is go to your mobile and settings, and under it look for photos. So under photos, under the very bottom, you can see transfer to Mac or PC. So on default it's set on automatic, so you have to change it to keep originals and then connect your iPhone to your PC again. So let's check. So I'm gonna copy the same video files to my PC. So copy and then paste. So there you have it, guys. You can see it's clearly copying at a really faster rate and without any errors. So hope this video helped you. Thank you.